monkeys. They're the boss. Look, they're the boss. The
This
big-
monk.
Yeah. See the monkeys.
Why?
No, somebody has painted.
No,
Why is very red?
because he's seen you and angry. No, look at that. Makeup, lots of makeup.
And the haircut.
Look at the haircut.
Oh, so tiny one.
This little one looks like you. Exactly like you. That one scratching the back. Hey, look at this one in the top. Yeah. Can you see this?
He's a little one.
Fish female.
Yeah, female.
Fish fin color. Female.
Oh yeah, look at the teeth.
Yeah. She's got the makeup. Look, makeup's on.
Fish female.
Female.
So,
Oh, see the little tiny one, will you?
oh, he's playing with the food.
And
Oh.
look at looks like you, Lucas. It's treating. Mommy is taking care of the little baby. Look. Look at the legs. Nothing there. Nothing there. Wow, wow. Is there anything there? No. Wow. They're better than you, right, Lucas? He come to you. Little.
What a nice monkey.
These monkeys are much more disciplined than you.
Decent monkeys.
Decent monkeys. Look, checking.
See her no.
It's so kind.
They're much better than human beings. Can you see? Humans don't like you. You're not respecting anything, right, Lucas? Huh? You don't want to eat. You want to scream. You want to cry. Nobody's crying there.
No one is screaming.
No one is screaming.
No
Oh.
one is screaming.
No one is screaming. They're minding their business. They're eating. They get their food, whatever they need when they're hungry. She's checking, the mommy is checking the ears, the skin. Oh, wow. Look at this.
Like your mama does, isn't it?
Yeah. And Papa is just relaxing, doing nothing.
Look,
Joke.
Papa is telling him off. Did you see?
Oh.
Papa's hairstyle is very nice. Huh? Can you see?
What
Papa's,
a nice monkey.
yeah, much better than you and me.
No.
You can't go anywhere near them. They're wild ones. They're not in the park, okay? They're in the wild. So don't do. See? You're the only one who's playing with this. They don't do anything. They're not opening the doors. They're not opening anything. You want to open the door and go into their space. Huh? Okay. Shall we go now?
Wait. Let me wave to them.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye. Oh, go away, they say. Go away, they say. Can you see?
Look at that tower.
Yeah.
I see red and white tower.
Yeah.
You see it there? You see that red and white
Oh
tower?
no, baby, I'm in a milk putte. Why not? Come and see the little tiny one. I'm in milk.
Yeah.
Can do one thing. Oh no, that's enough. That's enough. Don't show up. Hide it.
You should have given to that one. She's